Jumping, not slipping, spine rolling with the lip walk. Bigger the bot, got gears to talk. Down at the barn where the beat don't stop. Solid donkey horse mixed with a slow ass trot. Got a bot in the truck bed, Bluetooth so. Songs like a preacher, gets like cold. Slow Trot Swagger, boots full of dust, sipping sweet tea in a Ford with rust. Country fried vibes, we don't ask much, just a beat, a hop, and a honky-tonk touch. Hay bale jumping, raccoon drumming, granny got a banjo rhythm, keep thumping. Horseshoes fly like a wild rodeo, but that one new mix just too damn slow. Slipping and sliding where the swamp gets hot, and the weirdest thing to show up on the spot. Dust, sipping sweet tea in a Ford with rust. Country fried vibes, we don't ask much, just to be a hat and a honky-tonk touch. Ride it slow, let the good times roll. In this slow trot life we find our soul.